What do you want from us?
Come on, Chaku, light on. We have to measure the crease. Is this crease magical? Huh? Keep up with my two precious hands.
That's stupid crows. Aren't you forgetting any one of us? Where are you today, Bheem? We early in the morning and now everybody is late. What's this? Feathers of crows? Looking at these, I guess something has happened. Don't know where my friends are. Let me go after the feathers. Huh? The feathers end here. Huh? Friends, are you all fine? What do you want from us? Hey, my hair has become feathers. Beak also. Bheem Crow is at your service, Cow Cow King. Who will stop me to take revenge from Dholakpur?
Chutki, now let me free you all.
Deal with your friends quickly, you know. Hey, there is a place to hide.
Go fast, Kalia, or else for the first time we will be beaten by Bheem. Remember? That crow had put the magical ring in Bheem's hair. If we can remove that, then Bheem will be back again. It seems like we have pulled the wrong feathers. Laddu!
Ha! Whoa! This is so tasty! Oh, this is a laddu, and I am Bheem.
You were tamed by that bad crow, Bheem.
No! They are out of your spell now, but I am still a crow. Give me the potion to become a human again, or else I'll leave you from here.
Wow, my crow!
Save her if you can. 3, 2, 1.
Clever Bheem! You have completely ruined my plan once again! What? Your plan?
I will play with the car. Can I play with that squishy, bouncy toy up there? Hey, wait, Kalia. Oh no!
Hi, Bheem, Chutki, Kalia. He is actually alive, and he even knows our names. Of course I do. I watched you since childhood, growing from tiny to whiny in this house, and now I'm alive. Thank you, Coach Kalia.
Oh, please don't worry, guys. Let's take the hula hoop to the toy store. He will repair it in a jiffy.
Tell me, how can this Rangoon Khilone Lal be of service to you today?
Remember, Jhapak, to the world you are just a toy. Don't move at all.
As you wish, coach.
Huh? Who said that?
I said as you wish. You asked me to show you the toy, right?
Hmm. 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 Hey children, please don't touch my Zim Zapata suit.
I told you to keep quiet, didn't I?
Oh wow, it's a real living toy. What if it were to become mine? Then I would be swimming in millions.
No!
I won't let you go. Now try and catch me if you can.
Wasn't a cupboard full of toys enough? What are you doing here, children?
Dun, how are you?
My jumping Jhapak is talking, and who is that running away with it?
Let him go!
Oh yeah.
Such a fun game this is. Here, Rangoon uncle, shoot them back.
But you all didn't tell me how did this miracle happen? I brought Jhapak to life, Mossy. It was all thanks to me. My pots! Kalia!
What do you think is the reason? Why has Indumati called us over so urgently?
Maybe Indumati is in need of our assistance. Hurry, let's run!
The thing under my blanket is my Bablu Babu Beam. Such a cute rabbit! Roly-poly rabbit! I found it in the palace gardens. That's why I asked you all to come over to meet my Bablu Babu.
Huh? Hello, Bablu Babu.
This soft furry rabbit has very sharp teeth. Very, very sharp. Bye.
And now the fun begins. I show them Roop Rogue. What form should I take? Should I show my real form? Now watch the magic. Roop Rogue, it happened exactly the way you planned. The princess went crazy over your cute little rabbit form. And that brought stealing the royal treasure.
No, Bheem. Babu. Friends, let's split up and look.
Every corner. He's nowhere to be seen. Huh? Bablu? Why has he come back to the door of the treasure house? Let's see what he's up to.
Ah, here I am.
So Bablu is a shape-shifting thief, huh? Hey, Roop Rogue! So you became a cute rabbit to try and trick us?
So you spore. Roop Rogue becomes...
But you won't get rid of me that easily, Rubrog.
What is this? What are all these animals doing in the palace today? Bheem, take this laddu.
Now what should I do? What form should I show? I'm stuck in this pot. Should I return to my real form? Now what should I do? What form should I take? Or should I just wait?
Our Bablu Babu turned out to be a blabbering thief.
Carrot from my kitchen! I will turn you into chili sauce with her!
How much do I have to run? Somebody help! Bheem, help! I have done double work out today!
Thank you, King Silvan.
Eat fast, Bolu. Come on, before our boss eats everything.
Hukkeni jambuna bane hi lagu kina. I request you to give me enormous wealth, lots and lots of wealth.
Get me that magical mask which has the secret to all the magical powers that ever existed. If you can do that, I will make you the most richest king in the world.
I will get that mask for you.
A mask full of magical secrets? But Your Highness, that is written in the Colosseum of Samrita.
This ground is actually shaking.
Who trapped us?
It's me, your good old neighbor, Narundo. It's time for you to go for a long vacation, Silvan.
You will have to fight with me first.
What happened to them?
These lions are trapped, they become weak.
I have the right to that throne. Put these kings in the dungeon for now and allot these kids and this jester some menial duties, except this Bheem. I am very impressed with your bravery. Now I will give you two interesting proposals. Either you shake hands with me or get punished.
Joining hands with you and working by your side will be a great honor for me, sir.
No! You can't do this to all of us, please!
We will have to get those lions out of that cage as soon as possible. The moment they are free, they will regain their powers. And then they will be able to help us.
But how should we get out of here?
Now we will have to make our own way out of here. This dungeon is right next to the garden, so this tunnel will take us out.
I can't see anyone. I think they made a tunnel and taken off from here.
Oh, Bheem, we knew you would come for us.
I'm sorry, my friends.
I had to pretend that I was on Larundo's side.
These kids escaped from the prison and they were trying to break the lion's cage, Your Highness.
Get that Sylvan and his friends from the dungeon and present them before me. I have some wonderful news for you today. I am about to break the magnificent Colosseum of Samrit.
No!
Now we have lost all our hopes.
Where were you?
I was preparing for your destruction, Larundo!
Bheem!
Attack!
What is this? I can't believe my eyes.
To defeat them!
I don't need anyone for this. I can break this Colosseum all by myself.
Oh no, Bheem!
Romy, Johnny, Babbar, I won't let your sacrifice go down the drain. This is Bheem's promise. Larundo, until I am around, I'm never going to let you break this Colosseum.
You have to pay for this.
Larundo, the time has come to send you back to Generalus.
Have a look at my latest invention, Zippity Zappity Travel Machine.
I think this machine is really amazing. But what does it do?
If I put anything in this box, then it will travel and come out of that box.